What do you want your legacy to be? For me, it isn't just about being successful myself, but also helping others to achieve success. We founded our GOFINITY brand in 2007, and it was really tough. Creating products and websites, finding manufacturers, shipping products, and replying to customers. In the beginning, I often wondered how anyone was able to succeed. But GOFINITY's success wasn't just because it was an amazing product or a great website. It was also because we had so many amazing women sharing their experiences with the product. I wanted to give other people, just like you, a way to build their own successful business without all the headaches we had to endure. That's why we created GOFINITY. With GOFINITY, you get your own business with access to great products crafted by our local formulators and your own expertly built website, an app with tools to help you work when you want to, and a full team taking care of every aspect of your business, from social media to shipping to customer service. And we're here every step of the way to help you become your best you. Ready to meet your new team?
Okay, let's go.
You know, we're passionate about creating products that live up to their promises. So we devote thousands of hours to research and development. That way you can relax after you make a sale and know that your customer will be happy with the products.
We built your website and app with innovative technology and best practices, so you never have to worry about missing out on a sale because of a broken button.
And you never have to worry about not knowing what to post to social media. We have a library full of fun and exciting content. So sharing GOFINITY is as easy as hitting share.
With GOFINITY, you'll never have to buy, store, or ship inventory. We do that so you can do more important things.
You can run your business any way you want with GOFINITY. It's customizable to your schedule, your goals, and your level of commitment. You'll have a flexible source of income selling products you love while making amazing new friends who will support, motivate, and challenge you. We can't wait for you to join our community of inspiring entrepreneurs. Helping you achieve your success is our legacy. What will be yours?